Start by priming your eyelids. I forgot to show it, but I'm using the Tati Beauty palette. Setting the lid with a skin tone shade. Darker eyeshadows can get clingy and look patchy over a wet base. Starting in the crease with a dark chocolate brown and blending it till there's no harsh lines. Bring it out to the end of the brow, almost like it's winged liner. You'll clean up the edge after. Press a bronze shimmer shade onto the lid and pat it back towards the crease. The residual product helps create a softer blend. Further, blend the edges of the two with a little of the crease shade. Highlight the brow bone with a shimmery nude shade and use it to soften any unblended edges. Now, like always, repeat on the other eye. Prime your skin. Today I'm using a hydrating primer. Mixing shades to get my perfect match. Also doing thin layers so it's not heavy and cakey looking. I have a lot of redness today from doing a face mask. Sensitive skin is annoying. Also, I spot conceal under my foundation, so that way if it's lighter, the foundation will even out the color. Mixing a shiny basin with my foundation, it adds glow and thins out the foundation so it spreads out in nice thin layers. Set all of the cream products with a powder to prevent creasing, and if you get oily, it helps keep you from getting oily as fast. Warming the cheekbones, temples, and nose up with some bronzer. Using a brighter pink sparkly blush. This is part of the ColourPop Lizzie McGuire collection. Highlighting the high points. I want to look like a glazed donut. Please and thank you. Framing the bottom lash line with the crease shade. Highlighting the inner corner to brighten the eye. Set the face to melt in the powders. Filling in the brows to frame the face. If you have naturally perfect brows, skip this step lol. using a brow wax to keep them in place. Tight line with black liner. It defines the eye shape. I also just like how I look with black liner. Adding mascara. You could also add lashes, but I always glue my eye shut, and I'm not going anywhere that calls for that. Lining my lips with a slightly darker mauve shade. Using a slightly lighter mauve to fill in the rest of the lip. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my socials, linked in the bio 3.